Stop before you grab that spatula. Do you actually know what it's called in English? If you have ever felt like a foreigner in your own kitchen while following a recipe, or if you have ever started at a frying pan and just call it the flat thing, today we are fixing that. In the next minutes, we are going to master more than 20 essential kitchen words. No expensive tools, just you, me, and your imagination. And make sure you stay until the end, because I've prepared a special kitchen story challenge. It's a fun, fast-paced test that will prove right now exactly how much your English has improved in just one video. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. To start our journey, let's look at where the different areas of the kitchen. First up, we have the kitchen counter. The kitchen counter. This is your main workspace. Think of it as your office desk, but for food, right? Repeat after me. Kitchen counter, kitchen counter, kitchen counter. Pro tip: in UK, they might call this the worktop, worktop, worktop. Next, let's talk about the sink. This is where the cleaning happens. Repeat after me. Sink, sink, sink. Connected to the sink, we have the faucet, the faucet, faucet. This is metal part where the water comes out. Repeat after me. Faucet, 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 faucet. Now, moving from the water to the heat, we have the stove, the stove. The stove has burners on the top for frying and boiling. Repeat after me. Stove, stove, stove. Directly or next to that, we find oven, the oven, the oven. This is for your cakes, your roast, and your pizzas, pizzas. Repeat after me. Oven, oven, oven. And finally, to keep things fresh, we have the fridge, the fridge. The full word is refrigerator, but almost everyone just says fridge, fridge, fridge. Repeat after me. Fridge, fridge, fridge. Now that we know the room, let's talk about the tools of the trade. Cookware, cookware. The most common word you'll hear is pan, pan. But specifically, we use a frying pan for flat things like eggs or pancakes. Repeat after me. Frying pan, frying pan, frying pan. So, on the other hand, if you're making liquid dishes, you'll need a pot, a pot, a pot, a pot, a pot. Pots are deeper and have high sides, perfect for a big Sunday soup. Repeat after me. Pot, 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 pot. And what goes on the top of the pot is the lid, the lid, the lid. Repeat after me. Lid, lid, lid. Before the food hits the pan, it hits the cutting board. Cutting board. Always use a board. It protects your counters and your knives. Knives. Repeat after me. Cutting board, cutting board, cutting board, cutting board. We have the heat, we have the parts. Let's get precise with utensils. First, the knife, the knife, the knife. The K is silence. Don't say knife, knife. Repeat after me. Knife, knife, knife. Next, the trio we use for eating is the fork, the spoon, and knife. We have another tool for flipping food, the spatula, spatula, spatula. Repeat after me. Spatula, spatula, spatula. That's a fun word to say, isn't it? Spatula, spatula, spatula. If you are baking, you will definitely need this next one, the whisk. Whisk. It's used for mixing air into eggs or cream. Repeat after me. Whisk, 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 whisk. We are almost there. Let's wrap up the vocab with some big picture kitchen words. When you gather your food, you are gathering ingredients. Repeat after me. Ingredients, 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 ingredients. When you follow the steps to cook, you are following a recipe, recipe. Repeat after me. Recipe, 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 recipe. And what about the food that is left over? We call those leftovers, leftovers, leftovers. Most people think leftovers taste even better the next day. Repeat after me. Leftovers, leftovers, leftovers. And finally, my favorite word, homemade, homemade. Nothing beats a homemade meal. Repeat after me. Homemade, 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 homemade. You made it. Now it's time for the challenge I promise you. I'm going to tell a story. Try to visualize every tool I mentioned. Yesterday, I felt like having a homemade dinner. I opened the fridge and grabbed my ingredients. I put my cutting board on the counter and used a sharp knife to chop some garlic. I turned on the stove, put a frying pan over the heat, and used a spatula to stir everything together. It was better than any restaurant. Did you catch all of them? If you recognize the fridge, the counter, and the spatula, congratulations. You are officially thinking in English. So, if you enjoyed this No Tools Kitchen lesson, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Your final homework, go into your kitchen right now. Point out 3 things and say their names out loud. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.